Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning how to style CSS links and various states of hyperlinks. So let's get started. Watch this video till the end. In HTML we have learned about anchor tag. In this tutorial we will learn various types of ways to style an anchor tag. Hyperlink in CSS can be styled differently based on its 4 different states. A link. This is a state when the link is unvisited, means the link is not clicked yet. Ain't visited. This is a state when the link is visited, means the link is clicked. A hover. The moment when the mouse is kept over the link. A active. This is a state or the moment when the link is clicked. Let's see a quick demonstration. First let's take 2 anchor tags with different links. Let's give a target value blank so that the result opens in a new tab. As we have learned in the HTML tutorial. If you have not seen the video yet, click on the above link. As we have clicked on the Google link, the link opens in a new tab, but it looks like there is some error in adding link. We have not added the complete link HTTPS in the ref. Now you may notice the color of the above link is different than the color of the below link. This is because the above link is clicked and hence it comes in the state of visited, but on the other hand the below link is not clicked yet, so it is in normal link state. As we have written CSS for the link state of anchor, the style is applied only to the below link. Now let's specify the style for visited link. You have seen that as we have clicked the below link gets into the state of visited and hence the visited style is applied to it. Similarly, there are other 2 states, hover and active. Hover is the state when mouse is hovered over a link, whereas active is a state when the link is clicked. Now look very carefully. Now as we have specified different styles for all the 4 states. So, when we will hover over the link the style gets different, similarly when we click on the link the style gets different. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.